They both grew up like as boys talaga. So I took the inspiration from both of them and put it in Carla. So happy because fun fact, my first project ever, like first guesting, first taping I've ever done was with si Direk Dom. That was in Royal Blood right before Widow's War. So it's just so fun to be working with Direk Dom again and Sir Ding Dong again because I was waiting, honestly, I was really waiting for a time to work with Direk Dom because he's also mentioned with me that we might work on a project sometime but it got cancelled. So now that I'm actually main cast and like really working with an upfront, it's super exciting because he's such a light person to work with and that's what I absolutely love, working with people who are so light. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. So, I do have a peg. May dalawa talaga akong friends sa buhay ko na parang nakita ko pwede to pang character. So, if you guys know Sean Lucas, I don't wanna, not in a way no parang boyish, parang basta. Okay, so si Sean, he's very loud, he's funny, he doesn't really care about what he says, like what the brain thinks, what he does. Parang ganun siya. And he's very out, he's very friendly, he's very big. Just like Carla. So when we were taping for Wag Kang Titingin, he gave me a good idea of what I could base Carla off of. And also Matthew. Matthew kasi, kahit we're like artist dalawa, sobrang tropa niya. Ang tawag ko sa kanya, Tol. So yung pagka-tol ni Carla, nakuha ko yan from Sean and Lucas, nakuha ko si Carla from Sean Lucas and Matthew Oy and mixed them together. Sean is from Davao, Matthew is from Antipolo. They both grew up like as boys talaga. So I took the inspiration from both of them and put it in Carla.